Hello guys, if you've been wondering whether you can download and install apps and games on your HiWatch Ultra smartwatch like the YouTube app, TikTok app, or even play games on your HiWatch Ultra smartwatch or download games, then take a look. On my HiWatch Ultra smartwatch over here, if you go through all of the list of apps from the apps menu of the smartwatch, you're going to find out that we have lots of applications over here, including social media applications like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and many other applications. But you will notice that there is actually no Google Play Store app or App Store for us to be able to download and install apps and games into the HiWatch Ultra smartwatch. Also, on the HiWatch Ultra smartwatch app over here, and as you can see, mine is currently connected, you will also notice that there is actually no App Store. So from the list of options we have under the devices tab, there is no option for us to be able to download and install apps, or even the Google Play Store for us to get apps from the Google Play Store into our HiWatch Ultra smartwatch. And so the answer is no, you cannot download apps and games into your HiWatch Ultra smartwatch. However, you might be able to get certain apps and certain games, like in my HiWatch Ultra smartwatch over here. If you come over to the games section, you're going to see that I have this F1 racing game that I can actually play on the HiWatch Ultra smartwatch. But this particular game is pre-installed into the smartwatch. So aside from this particular game, I cannot download and install more games into the HiWatch Ultra smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.